welcome back to my channel. In this video, get ready to see how it transforms something you usually throw away. Avocado skin. Yes, and we're going to transform it into something adorable like this little ladybug, also known as ladybird or lady beetle. But do you know that ladybugs are not bugs because they are beetles? And they come in different colors such as red, yellow, orange, brown, or black. And for more eco-friendly craft, please check out my avocado spider. And I'll put the link down below. So if you like to make this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So let's get creative, shall we? We'll be using a hash avocado for this project. Let's prepare the avocado skin by scooping the flesh out until it's completely clean. Then wipe it dry with paper towels. Stuff it with crumpled paper towel to maintain the shape. Dry it at least for a day, avoiding direct sunlight. After a few hours, it will turn into a shell-like texture. First, take one avocado skin. Carefully trim the sides to smoothen it. Let's add colors to the ladybug by using acrylic paint or acrylic paint marker. Let the paint dry for a few minutes. To add shine and extra layer, let's paint it with a clear nail polish. Cut a small piece of black card paper for the legs and the antenna. On a card paper, trace around the ladybug and cut it. Cut it slightly smaller than the pencil lines so that it can fit inside as a cover. Grab a small magnet and stick it on the cover. Apply glue around the opposite side of the cover and stick it on the ladybug. Then attach the 6 legs and the antenna of the ladybug. Finally, let's stick the googly eyes. Now take another magnet and test it out on a cardboard. Enjoy! There you have it, your very own DIY ladybug from avocado skin. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!